Hi and welcome. Welcome to the Power of Flow channel and another class of Creative Vinyasa. I hope you have been enjoying the classes so far. I always like hearing from you in the comments what kind of classes you like to see most. And as far as I can see, Creative Vinyasa is the most popular one. So here we go, one more time. Welcome also to the new joiners. The channels have been growing nicely so far. So welcome, hope you're enjoying the classes. Feel free to search in the library, the older classes as well. There are quite a few intensive classes over there, so feel free to take a look at those as well. All right, we will get started. And yes, my name is Natasha, not to forget to introduce myself. We will start it today in a child's pose. Arms go long, we lower down, and gently introducing Ujjayi breath. Inhaling through the nose, and with the exhale, make a restriction at the back of the throat, releasing the sound of ocean. Keeping up with this breathing, let's walk the hands to the left side. Right palm comes on top of the left, breathing through the right side of the body. And then let's walk the hands to the right side, left palm on top, breathing through the left side of the body. Coming back to center and slowly rounding forward. With inhale, open the spine upwards. Exhale, round and sit back down. Now glide forward, chest down, open up. Exhale, round and back down. Inhale, glide forward, open. Exhale, round and sit down. Inhale. Exhale. Forward. And back. Now moving forward, inhale and exhale. We come back to neutral position, bringing the knees below your hips. Next inhale, left arm, right leg extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, open, and exhale to the side. Inhale, exhale together. Inhale, exhale to the side. Inhale, exhale. Open, side. In, out. Center, side. Inhale, and then let's grab the right foot behind. Bring it high. And as you release, step the right foot outside of the right palm, swaying from side to side, releasing the hips. And then open the right foot, come to the edge of the right foot, walk it forward as far as you can, and maybe even drop the elbows down. Slowly coming up, plant the right foot back. Now let's bring the hips back for this diagonal half split. The palms below your shoulders, and then right leg goes to the right side in line with the hip. Inhale, open, and exhale, round the spine. Inhale, exhale, open, round. In, out, open and hold, and slowly sitting back, lifting the right toes up. Gently release. Bring the right knee back. Now with inhale, right arm, left leg, open, exhale together. Inhale, exhale to the side. Inhale, exhale. Open, side. In, out. Center, side. Inhale, exhale. Open, side. Center, and let's grab the foot behind. Bring it high. As we release, left foot step outside of the left palm, swaying the hips from side to side. And then let's open the left foot, come onto the edge of the left foot, start to walk the hands forward as far as you can, and maybe even dropping the elbows down. Up. Let's extend the left leg, hips back, toes up for this diagonal split. And then let's plant the palms below the shoulders, left leg goes to the side, in line with the left hip. And then inhale, open up, and exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open, exhale, round. Inhale, exhale, open, round, open and hold, and slowly we sit back down, lifting the left toes up. Gently coming back, bringing the left knee to center. Let's lift up to our down dog, and we start to walk, bending, extending left and right leg. And then walking your palms back of the mat, all the way to forward fold. Arms go behind, interlock the fingers. Inhale, chest up. And exhale, fold forward. Slowly we start to lower down, dropping the knees to the floor. Come up. Inhale, camel pose, keeping the fingers interlock. And exhale back. Leaning back, again gently lift the knees up. Exhale, fold forward. Bending the right knee, right shoulder comes closer to the right knee as we twist to the left side. Inhale through center, bending the left knee, left shoulder to left knee. Inhale, center, and exhale, release your palms down. Right leg goes up, standing split.
And then step the right leg behind the left for crisscross, forward fold, walking both palms to the left side, twisting. And walking both palms to the right side. Inhale to the center, and we rise, arms up, grabbing the right wrist, exhale to the left. Inhale, and exhale, fold forward. Right leg up, standing split. And let's come all the way up, right knee to chest for one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, sit down, figure 4, chair pose. Inhale, come up, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, standing split. Inhale, and exhale, lower the leg down. Now left leg up, standing split. And then left leg goes behind the right, crisscross, walking the hands to the right side, twisting. Then walking the hands to the left side. Bring it to center, inhaling, arms up, grabbing the left wrist, side bend to the right. Inhale, center, exhale, fold forward. Left leg up, standing split. With next inhale, we come all the way up for one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, sit down, figure 4, chair pose. Inhale, come up, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, down, standing split. Another inhale here. And exhale, left foot down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Walking the hands forward, all the way to plank. And then let's walk it to long plank. So your palms a little bit forward. Together, let's drop the elbows down for forearm plank. And then let's bring the hips to the left, center, and right. Left, center, right, center. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it to center, Drop the hips down, elbows below the shoulders. Press the elbows into the floor and then bring them closer to your body, feeling a nice opening in the middle of your spine. And then with inhale, press the palms into the ground, elbows up, into the seal pose. Let's thread the right arm below the left, moving into a twist, grabbing the left knee, left arm opens, looking back. Gently return, same way back and up. Now we thread the left arm and we twist, right arm opens. And slowly back. Seal pose, inhale and exhale, lower down. Plant the palms close to your chest, tuck the toes. Let's lift it up to plank. And exhale back to down dog. Let's do a couple of dancing dogs. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Exhale, bend the knees, shift back and hips up. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly start to walk forward, tippy toe walk, all the way to the top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, fold over. Plant the palms, step it back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhaling up dog. Exhale, back to down dog. Feet together, heels high. Inhale, exhale, bend the knees and hop forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold over. Plant the palms, step it back. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog. And back to down dog. One more time. Feet together, heels high. In, out, and hop. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold over. Plant the palms, step or maybe hop to chaturanga. Inhaling up dog and exhale back to down dog. Inhale, right leg up, and now without bending the knee, open the right hip. Inhale, with exhale, straight leg, let's tap it, toes outside of the right palm, forward, open up, and then tap the toes behind the left foot, down. Inhale, up, tap forward, inhale, and exhale, tap behind the left foot. Inhale, forward, exhale, inhale, and down. In, out, in, down. Last one, up, forward, up, down. Inhale, exhale, knee to chest, and step forward. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, lean forward, arms fly back. Inhale, exhale. Up, down. Inhale, we open, warrior two. And exhale, leaning forward for extended angle. In your extended angle, try to lift the right arm from the right leg. And then let's try to extend it forward. Turn it forward, and then as you shift forward to warrior three, palms to chest. Inhale, exhale back to pyramid, arms forward. Again, warrior three, palms to chest. Inhale, exhale back, pyramid, arms forward. Inhale, exhale. Forward and back. Keep it here. And then drop the left palm down on your toes or fingertips. And as you bend the right knee, right arm circles back. Extend the leg, arm goes forward. Bend the knee, circle back, extend, arm forward. 3, 4, 5. Plant the left palm, grab the right toe, and we move to side plank, lifting the right leg high. Release the leg, right arm up, and then plant the right palm, thread the right leg below the left arm for fallen triangle. Inhale, exhale, we sit down, left palm behind, inhale, hips up, exhale, down. Changing, inhale, exhale, up, down, in, and this time left palm down, knee to chest, and step it back to down dog. Inhale and exhale. Left leg up, keep it straight, open the knee, open the hip, and straight leg tap forward, outside of the left palm. Inhale up and tap it down behind the right foot. Inhale, exhale forward, inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, in, out. Inhale, exhale, in, out. Two more. Inhale, exhale, in, out. Inhale, exhale, in, out. Inhale, with exhale, knee to chest, and step forward. Inhaling, high lunge. Exhaling forward, arms back. Inhale, exhale, up and down, in, out. Inhale, come up, we open, warrior two, and exhale, leaning forward for extended angle. Let's lift the left arm from the left leg to a hover. And then extend left arm straight. Turn it forward. And as you shift to warrior three, palms to chest. Step it back, pyramid, arms forward. Again, warrior three, palms to chest. Inhale. Step it back, pyramid, arms forward. Inhale, warrior three. Exhale, back. Keep it here in your pyramid. And then right fingertips down as you shift forward, bending the knee, arms circles back. Inhale, exhale, extending the leg. Inhale, exhale. Forward, back. Inhale, exhale. Open, back. Let's plant the right palm, grab the left toe, and we open to side plank, lifting the foot high. Let go of the leg, arm up. We will meet in fallen triangle. Left palm down, thread the leg. Inhale, right arm up. And exhale, we sit down. Right palm behind. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, down. Left palm back. Inhale. Exhale. Change, up and down. Left palm, inhale, and then plant the right palm, bring the knee to chest, and step it back. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, right leg up, open hip, keep the leg straight, and then flip it over for wild thing. Coming through side plank, bringing the right knee high, we step it all the way forward. Right arm up, we twist, inhale, exhale, arm goes back, we dip the hips. Inhale, and exhale, down. Shift it forward, standing split. And then all the way up, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale down, figure four, chair pose. Coming up, circle the left leg back and open for warrior two. Inhale, extend the right leg, drop it down, triangle pose. And then as we look down, move it all the way forward for half moon. In your half moon, start to pulse the left leg up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently step it back, placing the right palm inner side of the right leg, and then left palm goes behind the lower back on the right hip. Maybe you stay here, but if you can, try to take a bind. So binding both palms together, right arm goes below, left palm behind the lower back. And then we extend the right leg back to that triangle. This time we're bound, still trying to open that left shoulder to the ceiling. Looking down, we shift forward for bound half moon. Keeping the bind, we will step forward with the left leg and we move into bird of paradise. Lift it up, come standing as straight as possible, and then we extend the right leg up. And slowly back down, step the left leg back, releasing the bind, moving into reversed warrior. Cartwheel the hands, both palms down, right leg back, one-legged chaturanga. Inhaling up dog and exhale back to down dog. left leg up, open the hip, leg is straight, and then gently we will flip it over for wild thing. Moving through side plank, left knee high, and then big step forward, left arm up, inhale. With exhale, arm goes back, dipping the hips down. Inhale up, and exhale down. Coming up, high lunge, exhale, warrior two. Cartwheel the hands forward, and then right leg up for standing split. Bring it all the way up, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, sit down, figure four, chair pose. Inhale up, and then circle the leg back for warrior two. Extending the left leg, shift forward, triangle pose. Moving forward all the way to half moon. In your half moon, start to pulse the right leg up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently step it back, left palm inside, right arm up, and then right arm goes behind. Either stay here or take a bind. Palms together, opening the right shoulder. We try to extend the left leg for bound triangle. And then looking down, shifting forward to half moon. Step it back. And then step the right foot forward. We're gonna come up for bird of paradise. Lift it up and extending the left leg. Slowly down, step it back, and then release the left arm, moving into reversed warrior. Cartwheel the hands, palms down, left leg back, one-legged chaturanga. Inhaling up dog. Exhale back to down dog. Slowly look forward and we're gonna hop it forward, feet outside of the palms for Malasana. Slowly we sit down, feet together for butterfly pose. Inhale and exhale, fold forward. Gently back, legs open. Inhale and exhale down. Slowly back, arms forward, lean back, bring the legs up to boat pose. Inhale, exhale, low boat. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, up, down, in, out. Inhale and exhale all the way down. Bringing the right knee to chest, squeeze it in. And then bring it to the left side. We twist, right arm opens. Bringing the left knee to the chest, squeeze it in. And then over to the right side, twisting, looking left.
back, grabbing the feet for happy baby. And then we open the right leg to the side. Back. Left leg opens. Back. Both legs open together. Back. Swaying side to side in your happy baby, massaging your lower back, your glutes. And slowly we lower down in Shavasana. Slowly we start to move the toes and fingers. Arms go over the head as we stretch. Shifting your body over to your right side. And slowly coming up to a seated position. Palms to your heart, maybe to your forehead.
Namaste.
And thank you. Thank you for practicing with me and for following up with the power of flow. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, and I will see you in the next class.